All right, we're going to find the midpoint of these 2 points listed here on the screen. And in a separate video, we're going to look at the length of the line. So let's just look at the midpoint. And we're going to be using the following formula. Make this a little bit smaller. We don't need that big. Bring it over here. Okay, so what we have is 2 points. We have P1 and P2, where the x-coordinate, the first number in your point, is labeled x1, and then y1 is the second number. So we have this ordered pair here. And so this would be like x1, and this would be y1. And then we have the second point with x2 and y2. This would be x2 and y2. We can determine the midpoint of these 2 points by using this formula right here. So you may be familiar with what this formula in general looks like. So in terms of just looking at x and y individually, we can find the midpoint. So the midpoint is a point. It's the point that is directly in between these 2 points right here. So just to draw this out and to understand what's going on, I'll go ahead and draw that right here. So we have -4. So let's go ahead and graph that point right there. And then up 3. So that's -4, 3. And 4, -2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, -2. So what the midpoint is it's the point that's directly in between these 2 points. So let's just say we draw a line that connects these 2 points. The midpoint would be located, I'll draw it in a separate color here so you can see it, would be right about there. Now, I mean, this isn't directly to scale, I'm just sketching this out, but we'll see if the point is approximately located right there. So using this formula. All right, let's go back and use this formula. And so what we have is the coordinate x1 plus x2. So x1 is -4 plus x2. x2 in this case is 4. So plus 4 divided by 2. So what you may realize is this general formula we're using here is the average of the 2 x-coordinate points. So the average of -4 and 4 is this right here. -4 plus 4 divided 2. That's the average formula. We're going to do the same thing with y. So we're going to add, take y1 plus y2. So that's 3 plus -2. 3 plus -2, and then we're going to divide that by 2. So we've taken the average of the y-coordinates also. And that will give us the coordinate -4 plus 4 is 0. So this is 0 right here. So 0 divided by 2 is just 0. And 3 plus -2 is 1 divided by 2 is 1/2. So we have the coordinate 0, 1/2. And as we can see, I mean, it wasn't directly to scale here, but we can see that's fairly close to the point 0, 1/2. 0, 1/2 is actually located, I'll draw it in pink, right around there. So, you know, it was pretty good just for a sketch, just to get an idea of what it looks like. This is what it looks like graphically, the midpoint of 2 coordinate points. Okay, so that's the midpoint. All right, so in a separate video, we'll discuss the length of a line. All right, let me know if you have any concerns.